Today we're going to talk about the UniSan Pocket Demo. So to show the customer, just remove the demo from the case, open up the clamp first, and remove the UniSan window. The UniSan window is a one-piece design that just simply fits like a cap would on a ferrule. So you place the gasket, the UniSan window, and then the GRQ clamp around the UniSan. And you'll notice that the GRQ clamp fits virtually 340 degrees around before applying any load. You simply take the clamp, tighten it down, and you have the UniSan window.